In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily create a professional blog article using the powerful tools of Thrive Architect and Adobe Creative Cloud Express. So in this step-by-step tutorial, you'll learn how to use these tools to create stunning blog posts that will wow your readers. Hey there, and welcome back to Success is Made. I'm excited to share with you today how you can create a professional blog article using Thrive Architect and Adobe Creative Cloud Express. As an online entrepreneur or marketer, having a professional looking website is crucial to building credibility and growing your audience. And of course, you need quality blog posts with the right keywords and links for SEO purposes. So in this video, I'll show you how to create stunning blog posts that will capture your readers' attention and keep them coming back for more. So here we are inside WordPress in my admin panel. As I said, this website is running on WordPress. You can see the WordPress dashboard right here, but it's also running Thrive Suite, including Thrive Architect. So in this video, I'll show you how to easily create a blog article for your website in 10 minutes with Thrive Architect. So we're going to the posts here, all posts, and I'm taking the last post that I made for this website. And to speed up production, I will copy that last post and use that as a template for my new post. If you don't want to do that, you can go to Add New. You can type in a text here, a title. I have Yoast installed, so it's asking for the focus key phrase, etc. So I won't do that right now. And I hit Save Draft. And here's the big difference. Normally, you have the blog editor in WordPress. With Thrive, you can create blog posts on a what you see is what you get basis, right? So you type in, just like in Word, you can type in text. It means it has pre-made templates that you can use to create a blog post. And the only thing you have to do is change the text or the images and move all the elements around until you're satisfied. The other great thing is that you can build one of these templates once for your blog and not touch it again for the upcoming, let's say, year. Your readers like consistency on their pages. So that means if you have a fixed look and feel to your blog and you change it only once every couple of years or once every year, most people really appreciate to have that consistency in your blog. So now this is saved as a draft. If you click on this button, Launch Thrive Architect, you can see what I mean. Loading all this is taking a bit longer than you're used to, simply because I am also recording this on Bandicam on the same machine. Okay, so this is an example blog post. What I forgot to do here is add an image. I'll show you that in a minute. But this is not an image that you can click and change because it is in the template of the article or blog post. But normally what you do is you click on Add Element. You can add a block here. So what you see here is a part where it says Post Content. So you can click the plus here and you can drag anything that you see on the right side into this field. And the blocks are all pre-made templates that you can use and that you can use just like Lego to build your own blog post page. So for instance, an introduction could be really sure if you can read it because it's small, but it says the story, the problem, and the solution, right? A very simple build-up of how you structure your text. But it could be that you want to use this blog article for people to sign up so they subscribe to your email letter. So you go to, let me see, lead generation. And here's an element where people can, right? You can have an image here of a free ebook or something else. People can sign up with this element. It's all connected. Once you connect it once to, for instance, MailerLite, which I use, it is connected forever. You can reuse it over and over again. Going back to all elements, this blog article will be very simple. So here's a title. There's the pros and the cons. Let's say that this blog article has an intent for people to sign up. I'm clicking this element here and everything you see here, all the text, you can change this. The image in the back, if you click on it, background styles, and here you can see shapeshift. You can see here this image, and clicking this, you can upload any image that you want. For instance, let's take this one. You see? So it even has darkened the image a little bit based on the template that we've just selected. Then we can drag more elements in here below this block. For instance, this, and here the actual article starts. It's pretty cool, right? So do you think that with this very simple approach, this software, that you could build your own sales page or website or blog article? Of course you can. So here you can change the text here. If you click on the image, you can change it with every image that you have in your media library or upload a new image. What is also nice, for instance, if you have a YouTube channel, you can go to click element and you can add a content block. Let's add it right here. And then I am adding a video. Enter the link to your YouTube video right here, so it is clickable and watchable on your page, on your blog article page. So that is what you would do if you haven't created a template at all before. So I won't save this because this is of course just an example page, which is a bit messy, but I just wanted to show you how this works with all these elements. I'm closing this, I'm not saving this, going back to the main menu, and I'm going to all posts. This is the fake post we just created, but I'm taking my last post here and I'm cloning it. So I'm copying that blog post. As you can see, I've written the text already here. I did that already a week ago, and copy the new title here. Here it's asking for a focus key phrase. I'm adding bracelets here. The categories, I'm clicking bracelets, I'm clicking fashion, I'm clicking the and sustainability, and the primary category is bracelets. So now you can do two things. You can either publish, but it's completely empty, right? So the old text is in there. So what I prefer to do is I save draft and then I launch Thrive Architect. And what you will see here is a copy of the previous article, and we'll change all the text and images to the new one. So here's the first part. This is more like a brief introduction. So we need a small piece of text to fit in here. So I'm taking this first part and I copy it in here. Okay, let's see why it doesn't like eco-friendly, because it wants to add a capital, which I won't be doing. Then we have this top 6 here. So Thrive will not recognize the 1 to 6. So what I'll do is I'll copy this and I'll take Notepad to remove all the tags inside. Copy this again. I will copy it over the default text, simply because I don't want to touch the tags, the header tags. So this looks a bit messy, and that's because I removed the numbering, remember? So here's number 1, here is number 2, this is number 3, here's number 4, 5, and 6. And what I now see is that it's built up with kind of an H3 tag. I don't think that is in the text. So what I'll do is I'll move this to the next line, remove the numbering, and this will be an H3 heading, making it a bit smaller, which we will fix by making it bold. Do the same here. Let's see if there's a block that we can use where we have like a top 3 that we can extend to a top 6. Let's see if this works. List of steps. Let's remove this. We copy this part, sustainable materials, in here. Step 1, sustainable materials. 2, copy that here. Variety of styles. 3, mix and match. And by hovering on this frame here, you can either copy just the title, but in this case we want to copy the whole element because you have 6 elements in total. So going here, and here in the green frame, I click here on copy, and I do that 3, 4, 5 one more time. So now we have 6 frames. So unisex design, it's the 4th one. The 5th is perfect for outdoor adventures. And the last one is positive impact, 6. See how simple that is? It really works like you're used to working with Word or Google Docs. And the good thing is that this very professional tool includes all kinds of other elements that you can use to build a course business, to build a store even. You have all the tools for any online business that you want, and it costs less than $1 per day. And with that, you can build even up to 5 different websites, blogs, stores, or whatever. Okay, so here's the list of steps. So let's see if I can take this and move it here. And then we have the conclusion here, and I'm copying that into this box. Copying this, moving it right here. And I'll add another image underneath right here, removing this one. This can be taken out, this can be taken out, this can be removed. What we now need to do is having this, or what I would call a snippet, changing this icon here. Let's see if there's something like an accessory, or in this case here, a ring, adding that in here. And let's see if there's a small piece of text that we can fit in this box here. Copy this right in here. And now we need to create 2 images here and the main image over here. So we go to Adobe Creative Cloud Express and we add the width of the image here, 734 pixels by 326. Now I'm a paying customer, but Adobe Creative Cloud Express is free. And the only thing is that if you use the free version, you have to deal with kind of a watermark that's in the bottom right, I believe. But already for 3 years, I'm a happy customer of Creative Cloud Express, the Pro version. So what I'll do is I click Photos. I have created a video for this brand before. So what I'll do is I'll take screenshots of this video and use that as block art. Adding the image here, making it a bit bigger. And what I'll do is I will add the logo here. There we go. Download it. And once you've done this, the only thing you need to do is click this image, delete it, and upload a new one in the same template. Here's the other one. And the logo is underneath. So you click on the image and you move the image down so the logo goes up. And finally, for the main image, removing this, uploading. Let's see if we can find a filter that makes it look better. So now we have 3 images here. 1, 2, and 3. We go back to the article, click on this image, we replace the image, and we upload the file we just created. Okay, it's uploading. Clicking this, replacing the image, uploading it, and inserting it. We're saving this. And in order to change this image here, you can close this page. And the first image is the featured image. So you go to replace image. I've now saved it. If I click preview here, you can select a preview for desktop, for tablet, or for mobile. I also created the tags, so I'm copying those right here. If you separate them with a comma, you can all paste them at the same time. I hit publish, and if I then go to the website, then this is the new blog article. Pretty cool, right? So that's how you create a blog post, a professional blog post for your own website or blog in less than 10 minutes with Thrive Architect and Adobe Creative Cloud Express. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create a professional blog article using Thrive Architect and Adobe Creative Cloud Express. By following these steps and utilizing the powerful tools at your disposal, you'll be able to create stunning blog posts that will keep your readers engaged and coming back for more. I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Success is Made for more great tutorials and tips on growing your own online business. If this video was helpful for you, please let me know and consider subscribing to Success is Made. I upload a new video on one of my channels every single week. If you sign up for the newsletter, you join the community of VP entrepreneurs or value pillars entrepreneurs, and you get free tips and tools to start and grow your own online business. If there is something you want me to cover in a new video about starting your own online business, please let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you here again. To your success. Bye.